It's the 18th day in the month of April 2026, and the question is, should you be trading oil or what should you be doing regarding oil? Should you go long? Should you go short? As I explained earlier, it's it's one thing for you to take a short, but let's look at the backstory. Previously, last year, earlier this year, oil has had a rough, turbulent trade. I mean, very few profits, several longs, and very few profitable shorts. But what I observe is, you know, most trend signals would give you an entry somewhere around January, and this went on all the way to April. As you can see, if you take a measurement of that move, you can see it's about to the high right now. You see it's about 88%. Right now, such a move for a commodity would usually have some correction after a while, and maybe some sideways movement. And this is what you get sometimes. But in this case, we have a situation ongoing where you have a short. For my own indicator, S means take a short or sell. Buy means take a long or you buy. And previously, I said I wasn't entirely convinced about the short, and I advised that even if you wanted it to be taken, use a reduced size and use a lower leverage than you'd normally use if you're confident of your trade, right? Now, this has just played out to the downside, and the peak of the recent move is about 9.94%. This is good if one took the move, even with your low size, you would still have made profit, right? Now, there's no telling what direction it could eventually take. It could still go upward if you know the war between US Iran escalates further or it goes downwards some more. What I would just also mention is after such a move, you will expect a correction to a mean revision, right? To the mean somewhere around here, 84, or somewhere around between these lines, 84 and 73, and it could also go a bit lower depending on the intensity. So you just have to be careful. Don't get cocky yet. The momentum is still a bit, this yellow line represents the momentum for me, still a bit bullish, right? But bullish doesn't mean you can't take your shorts. And I think an announcement today was made by Trump or rather by Iran saying the Strait of Hormuz is open for shipping. That usually would bring a positive reaction for other assets, but a negative reaction for oil because it means there's more supply of oil. So we leave it at that for now and continue to observe. However, if you took a short based on this indicator, this move, you would currently be about 5% profit, which is good. Which is good, not bad. If you're in 2x leverage, that gives you 10%. If you're on a 3x leverage, that gives you 15%. Not bad at all. After eating such a move like this. Okay, that's it for now.